There is a time for everything, and a season for every activity under the heavens, Ecclesiastes 3 verse 1 reminds us. Just like we thrive in different seasons, plants have preferences too. Mint is like that one friend who can't decide if they want to be indoors or outdoors. One minute it's basking in the sun, the next it's chilling in the shade. Classic mint. As the insightful Lady Bird Johnson once said, "Where flowers bloom, so does hope." Let's sow the seeds of knowledge to help our mint flourish. Mint enjoys a good sunbath but can be a bit sensitive to harsh rays. Part shade is often the sweet spot, offering a delightful balance. Think 4 to 6 hours of sunshine, preferably in the morning when it's gentle. Filtered light, like that dappled through a tree canopy, works wonders too. This delicate dance between sun and shade encourages the production of essential oils, those aromatic compounds that give mint its signature refreshing scent and flavor. Part shade offers another perk: slower, more controlled growth. This means your mint won't become unruly or need constant trimming. It's all about finding that happy medium where the leaves are lush and the flavor is at its peak. While part shade often reigns supreme for many gardeners, especially when it comes to growing mint, full sun isn't entirely off the table. In fact, it can be a viable option under the right conditions. In cooler regions where the sun isn't as intense, mint can bask in its warmth all day long without any adverse effects. The gentle sunlight in these areas provides just the right amount of energy for the mint to thrive. The extra sunlight can even lead to faster growth, meaning more mint for your mojitos and salads. Imagine having a lush, green patch of mint that grows vigorously, providing you with an abundant supply of fresh leaves. However, in hotter climates, full sun can be a bit much. The intense heat can cause the leaves to wilt and the plant to struggle, making it less productive and more prone to stress. If you live in a warm area and choose to plant your mint in a sunny spot, be sure to provide some shade during the hottest part of the day. This can help mitigate the effects of the intense sun and keep your mint healthy. A simple shade cloth or even a strategically placed umbrella can prevent the leaves from getting scorched. These tools can create a more favorable microclimate for your mint, ensuring it gets enough light without being overwhelmed by the heat. Remember, a little observation goes a long way. Keep an eye on your mint and adjust its environment as needed. Regularly check the soil moisture, the color of the leaves, and the overall health of the plant. By being attentive, you can make timely adjustments to ensure your mint remains vibrant and productive. Watering is also crucial. In full sun, mint may require more frequent watering to stay hydrated. Ensure the soil remains consistently moist but not waterlogged. Proper watering can make a significant difference in how well your mint handles the sun. With the right care and attention, mint can flourish even in full sun. By understanding the needs of your plant and providing the appropriate conditions, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, aromatic mint leaves all season long. Section 4. Bringing the outdoors in. Bringing the joy of fresh mint indoors is easier than you might think. The key is to mimic its preferred outdoor conditions as closely as possible. A bright windowsill that receives plenty of indirect sunlight is the perfect spot. North or east-facing windows are often ideal as they provide gentle morning light. Avoid placing your mint in direct, unfiltered sunlight for extended periods, especially during the afternoon. Just like in the garden, too much direct sun can stress the plant, leading to leaf burn and dehydration. Remember, a happy mint plant is one that receives adequate light without being scorched. Section 5. The balancing act of water and light. Watering your mint is like quenching its thirst, and the amount it needs depends on how much sun it's getting. Mint plants thrive when they receive the right balance of water and light. Too much or too little of either can affect their growth and health. Just like we need more water on a hot day, mint planted in full sun will need more frequent watering than mint growing in shade. The sun's rays can quickly dry out the soil, making it essential to monitor moisture levels closely. Feel the soil regularly. If it's dry to the touch, it's time to give your mint a drink. Checking the soil moisture is a simple yet effective way to ensure your mint is getting the right amount of water. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. On the other hand, be careful not to overwater, especially if your mint is growing in shadier conditions. Mint in the shade doesn't lose water as quickly, so it requires less frequent watering. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Soggy soil can lead to root rot, which can harm or even kill your plant. Root rot is a serious condition that occurs when the roots are deprived of oxygen due to excessive moisture. This can cause the roots to decay and the plant to weaken. It's all about finding that balance, providing enough water to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. A well-balanced watering routine ensures that your mint plants stay healthy and vibrant. Remember, the goal is to keep the soil consistently moist, not drenched. Using a watering can with a gentle spray can help distribute water evenly without disturbing the soil. This method prevents soil erosion and ensures that water reaches the roots effectively. Happy mint plants will reward you with lush, aromatic leaves that are perfect for culinary uses. Whether you're adding them to a refreshing drink or using them in a recipe, well-watered mint plants will enhance your dishes with their fresh flavor. Adding a layer of mulch around your mint plants can help retain soil moisture and reduce the need for frequent watering. Mulch acts as a protective barrier, keeping the soil cool and preventing evaporation. With the right balance of water and light, your mint plants will thrive, providing you with a bountiful harvest for all your minty needs. Enjoy the fruits of your labor with a refreshing cup of mint tea or a delicious mint-infused dish. Section 6. Thriving in the right light. Just like we feel our best when we're living in our full potential, mint thrives when it's given the right conditions to flourish. Mint is a resilient herb, but it has its preferences. Understanding these preferences can make all the difference in your gardening success. Part shade often takes the crown, offering the ideal balance of sunlight and shade to encourage healthy growth and robust flavor. This means that mint plants can benefit from morning sun and afternoon shade, or dappled sunlight throughout the day. The partial shade helps to protect the delicate leaves from scorching and keeps the soil from drying out too quickly. However, with a bit of care and attention, you can successfully grow mint in full sun, especially in cooler climates. In regions where the sun is not too intense, mint can bask in full sunlight and still thrive. Just be sure to monitor the soil moisture closely, as full sun can cause it to dry out faster. Mulching around the base of the plants can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool. Whether your mint graces your garden or brightens your windowsill, remember to provide adequate light, well-draining soil, and consistent watering. Mint prefers soil that is rich in organic matter and drains well to prevent root rot. If you're growing mint indoors, place it near a bright window where it can receive plenty of indirect sunlight. Regular watering is key, but be careful not to overwater. The soil should be kept moist but not soggy. With a little love and attention, you'll be rewarded with an abundance of fresh, flavorful mint to enjoy in all your culinary creations. From refreshing beverages to savory dishes and sweet treats, the possibilities are endless. Happy growing! Remember, the right light is just the beginning. Proper care and a bit of patience will ensure your mint plants thrive and provide you with a bountiful harvest season after season.